Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
Hi guys, this is Trader Sarab, and today's video is regarding how to scalp quickly and fast. A lot of people in our chat room are saying it's taking them 10 to 15 seconds to go in a trade, and by the time they get to that, the opportunity is already gone. So this is a quick video regarding how I quickly get in and get out. There's a feature on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform called Active Trader. So if you look on the right side, this is your chart or whatever. You click on it right here, your active trader is going to show up right here. So on the active trader is going to you pick how many shares you want to buy, and you see people selling the share right here, and you see people buying the share. So you can quickly go ahead in and out quickly through that. So if I put my cursor right here, so if I want to buy a 100 share, which is a lot of shares, and I don't have that much money in my account, so it's going to get rejected. So look at this. See, it will give it. But if I had the money in the account for it, it would quickly just go ahead and take the order in and quickly buy it. If I want to sell it, obviously I see a bunch of buyers right here, and I can just quickly click right here, and instantaneously within the same second it should sell. Another trick I use is right here. I go to SPY. That's a stock that I trade the most. So I will go right here, 293 call, because right now the price is close to that. So I like to trade near the money, sometime in the money. So I will add it to my watch list index right here, and I will do the same thing for the puts. Now when I'm looking at the SPY, obviously this is our script which tells me my entries and everything. Right here, so you can see all the it's not showing correctly, but you can see all the long entries is showing me right here, just telling me to go long, and very few short entries. And the green dot is a continuation of the script telling it's still good to stay in. So if I see that, if I wanted to get in calls, so let's say I wanted to go into calls. So right here you can see the calls actually did pretty good based on our script. I actually got faked out. I'll show you in a few minutes about that one. So you can see if you enter, it's just keep going up. And in the starting of the day, this 293 was SPY calls were what 41 cents, and by the end of the day it was pretty gone up over $1, so close to 147. So it almost like quadruple. So around here I actually got faked out. I was seeing a reversal in the market, but it did not happen. And my script is telling me do not enter. This is telling you it's going down. But sometime I took a small position. I just wanted to test it. I was 100% confident. I entered with the $1, 5 contracts, and I quickly took my loss because I see it was not going in my direction, and I just keep on dropping. So actually I was hoping that it was going down, that it was going to go back up, and it didn't do it at that moment. So the market was continuing to still go down. And obviously I got out, and if I would have stayed in, you see it would have, a couple of minutes later, it would have been like 85 cents or something. So I took my 6 cents loss on it and moved on with my day. And obviously today was a very bullish day, and shorts kept getting squeezed. And look at this, after that, if I would have held it, of course it would have worked out. But you know what, I like to be in and out in a couple of minutes, and this is a quick way where you can actually enter within a minute or two. Well, I'm saying minute or two. You can enter the trade within a second or two. You have it right here. You see the sellers. You quickly go ahead and click buy. After that, you see the bid over here. You want to sell it. Just go ahead, click on one of those, and it will sell it for you. Hope this answered the question for a lot of you guys. Continue to ask, how do we scalp quickly? This is the quickest way I know how to scalp. If you know a better way, let me know. I'll be very interested in finding that out.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at Zero to Hero Trader or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace.